So, welcome back to iFixTech. I just got the new Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and I'm making this video just to share my impression. If you see in the box, you will find that logo for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. These are the silver ones, and you got some warnings. Okay, this is a release price from Samsung, which is a little bit expensive. Pretty cool. Let's open it up. Been waiting for this for almost a month since when you order it, they will not dispatch it right away. Maybe they don't have enough on back order. I don't know. Just open this up. Let's see what's in here. I mean, I know what's in here, but I just want to know what it looks like. Of course, it's gonna be a little hard to open it. Blah blah blah. We get the Samsung back there. We have the find your perfect fit. Pretty cool. Here's the buds. Here's the manuals. What is in here? Let's see. You got. Let's find out. All right, I just break that seal when I was supposed to open it this way. Very cool. Right, this is a cable, USB-C cable. In here you also got the, I think this should be the covers for the different fit. Yes, they are. Cool. Let's see the buds. Right, the design itself, I like it. I know most people will say, oh, they look like the AirPods. Yes, they kind of look like a little bit, but they have a beautiful design. I mean, if you look in the top, AirBuds won't have the transparent design on the cover. They comes white too, which will make her more equals to the buds. I mean, to the AirBuds. And when you open, you will find, okay, my computers are ready. If you hear that, start recognizing this. When you open it, you will see instead of the L and R letters to indicate which is right and which is left, you have color signals. You have red and you have blue. So when you get them out, they nice. I mean, I like them. The design is pretty neat. Look at they have the R, so you can confirm which is which, and it comes already with this rubber for fitting your ear. If you don't like it, you can change it for a bigger or smaller one. So for some other reviews I already saw, most people have to go to the smaller fit because they tend to fall. So I haven't tried yet, but looking at the design itself, they have this characteristic like sharp design that basically will make them different to the Apple AirPods. So okay, let's look at the left one. So instead of buttons, they have some gestures. So what I read is you can just, pretty much if you rub your finger through it, it will lower the volume. If you swipe it up, it will increase the volume. If you squeeze them, I think they will pause. So there's different gestures. You can change the gesture, I believe. I'm not really sure. I have to try them. So this video was just my first impression. I haven't really tried. They look nice. I mean, these are the silver version of 10. And so far I think I like them. I'm gonna try on my ear right now. And they feel nice. As soon as you put it in, they they will just come on. They will start working. And I hear kind of funny. They have many functions that I will find out, and then I will make a video about the use itself, how they sound, how they, looks like, how they, the mic, all that stuff. I'm gonna make a video on that. This video was just making an unboxing, and so far I like them. Let's see that cover again. If you look around it, get this slide in here. Here's where you connect the buds, your USB-C. This is cool. This is an auto sync button. So pretty much if you want to, let's say, pair your earbud with another device, you don't have to go to your phone and, like disconnecting from the Bluetooth. So you just press this button and they will start resyncing with another device. Again, they look cool. I mean, let's put it again. See the sound. This video won't have a lot of edits or editing because I just want to share my first impression. This video will go specific for those that join my channel. Maybe later I will release it public. So if you heard that, they looks cool. Right, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one where I will be testing these guys.